What is the real meaning of big snake dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of big snake dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a big snake sitting peacefully somewhere in a dream, then this dream is considered very good and indicates the complete ending of the troubles going on in life. As well as this dream also indicates many positive changes in the upcoming days. And now you are going to start something new that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now number 2. If someone sees a big snake attack in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to eliminate your fears and worries from your mind as soon as possible. Because these fears and worries are hindering your progress in real life. But the good news is that you are going to get many opportunities for success in real life. But before that, you need to adopt a positive attitude towards life along with the spiritual life. Because due to spiritual life, you will be able to deal your inner fears and worries very easily. Now number 3. If someone sees running away from a big snake due to fear in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning not to avoid or postpone life problems for the future. Because this attitude will force you to make any mistake in real life. But most of the time any problem or adversity brings great opportunity for us. So to take advantages from these problems, you should try to solve them as soon as possible. Only then you will make great progress in real life. Now number 4. If someone sees a big black snake in a dream, then it indicates some kind of upcoming difficult situation in life. But you can take a huge benefit from this difficult situation if you learn to control your fears and worries in real life. Now number 5. If someone sees killing a big snake in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious and indicates complete victory over your enemies in life, and now you will get success in your work project or planning very easily. Now number 6. If someone sees a big white snake in a dream, then this dream is also considered very auspicious and indicates spiritual awakening with any kind of hidden knowledge that will change your life in positive ways. And due to this, you will feel yourself a lucky person in this world. Now number 7. If someone sees a big green snake in a dream, then it indicates good luck and harmony in life and a complete ending of any kinds of troubles or disease which have been bothering you for a long time. Now number 8. If someone sees a big red or a big brown snake in a dream, then it indicates your confidence and passion for something, and due to this you will be able to achieve great success easily in the upcoming days. But this dream also suggests you should not trust any strangers blindly, because someone can cheat you for his or her personal gains. Now number 9. If someone sees a big dead snake in a dream, then it indicates losing some kind of big opportunity in real life. So to avoid this, you need to recognize the opportunities present all around you as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will have to feel regret for losing something important. Now number 10. If someone sees a big snake on the tree or hanging a big snake on a tree in a dream, then it gives a kind of warning to adopt spiritual life as soon as possible. Otherwise, only on the basis of mind you can't get the desired result in real life. So you need to know your higher self first, then you can achieve anything in life very easily. Now number 11. If someone sees chased by a big snake in a dream, then it also gives a kind of warning to face the challenges of life rather than avoiding them. Because something big and positive is waiting for you in the coming future. But before that, you will have to eliminate your fears and worries. Because these all kinds of fears and worries will be proof only false for you if you take them as opportunities of life. Now number 12. If someone sees a big snake in the house in a dream, then this dream is considered very auspicious and indicates good luck and victory over your enemies. As well as this dream also suggests that you are going to face lots of positive changes in life that will make you happy with your family. Now number 13. If someone sees two big snakes in a dream, then it indicates that you need balance in life, especially in personal life, because without balance you will not feel satisfied in life. And due to this dissatisfaction attitude, you can face lots of unwanted problems and worries in the coming future. Now number 14. If someone sees a big yellow snake in a dream, then it indicates that in the upcoming days you are going to face lots of changes that will give you a chance to use and improve your creative power. And on the basis of your creative power, you will find new opportunities in life that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now, number 15. If someone sees bitten by a big snake in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life. Or you have taken any kind of wrong decision, or you have chosen the wrong path in real life that will not give you the desired result in real life. So to avoid these problems, you should cross-check your plannings before executing them. Only then you will be able to get the desired result in real life.